guys, welcome back to my channel. I know that it's been a while, but I figured let me start with Halloween videos. You guys know that it is my favorite time of year, my favorite type of makeup tutorial. Actually, this is the best. I absolutely love it. Today, well, you can see by the thumbnail what we're doing. So before I get started, I actually put in my contacts first and put the tattoos on first. I've done this before and a lot of people had a few questions about like, how do you do that? When do you put the tattoos on? I don't draw them. They're temporary. They're in a lot of Halloween stores, costume stores. They're also on Amazon. I get a bunch of these on Amazon. So wherever I find them, I'm gonna link them down below in the description bar. And the contacts, they're actually prescription, but they're from Desio, the Desio Attitude Wild Green contacts. So I'm gonna do that and I'll be right back. Okay, so I have the tattoos on, the contacts in, and now I'm gonna get ready to make myself green. But here's the trick I'm gonna try. I want to get the area around my eyes really green and then do the eyeshadow and then finish the rest of my face because I'm gonna be using a lot of black eyeshadow. One of my favorites is Wanted Color Boss, IlMakiage Wanted Color Boss. It's black, right? So if there's fallout, it might mess up my complexion. So I'm gonna do the area green first up here, do the eyeshadow, and then fill in the rest of my face green, if that makes sense. Usually the dual fibers don't stain. So this is a 202 dual fiber from IlMakiage. I'm gonna color around my eyes green first. That way when my eyes are done, it'll be easier to blend it out. I hope this logic makes sense in the long run but it makes sense to me now. So let's see what happens. Okay, so I figured out how to do my brows. I use the IlMakiage black gel liner for my brows because I wanted the brows to be intense. And now I'm sculpting them using the cream color. Okay, so my plan is working. Oh my God, I love sculpting brows. So with that same gel liner, I'm just gonna prime the lid a little bit so that way when I go in with the black shadow it looks even deeper, because I'm going to be putting the black shadow all over the lid, kind of in this shape. And I'm going to use the Rico Nasty collab with this black eye pencil and just go in the waterline. That same dual fiber, just buffing out the edges. It looks so crazy now, but you have to trust the process, okay? Trust the process. Using a flat shader brush in the black, I like packing it first and then giving it a blend later. Ooh. So basically just smoke out your eyes. Just get the black all over your eyelids. I'm gonna go in with a deep matte green shade first, and that's just to blend the black a little. With another blending brush, I'm gonna go into a lighter green shade and blend again. Just blend out those edges. Next, I'm gonna use the Rico Nasty palette, the collab with IlMakiage. And as you could have guessed, I wanna use the bright green right here, Revenge. Oh, that's perfect. Just so there's no like harsh lines, see right here, I'm just gonna go in and blend a little bit more. Taking a makeup wipe, I'm gonna just clean up. There was a lot of black shadow underneath, see? I'm gonna clean that up, clean up the blotchiness on this side, and it just makes it look so much more sharp. It also helps me see what I need to fix. Like over here, I need to make it a little bit deeper, add a little bit more black. Okay, now is the part that makes me a little bit nervous because I've never done something like this before, but I basically have to make my complexion green down to my neck. So I'm gonna use the same green cream color and I guess fill in my face. I'm mixing the green with a little bit of white so it's not too deep. That way I can still contour because I want to still be able to give my face dimensions. I'm gonna, just like foundation, I'm gonna put it on first and then blend it out. Everything needs to be green. Okay, using a damp sponge is giving this a way better, more even application. So because I still want to contour, I'm just gonna mix the shade of green with a little bit of black. That way I can make a deep green contour and then blend it out. So for down here, I started doing cream and I was like, that's not gonna work. But I do have green watercolor activated body paint. That's gonna work good. So I'm just gonna leave that and then do that one last. And to blend out my contour, I'm gonna use another dual fiber brush. It's moving a little bit. I think you could see that here. But I'm gonna go back in with shadow and that should fix it. Okay, so that's contoured and now highlight. So I'm basically gonna do the same thing except mix it with more white to give it like a highlight look. And then go in and set it with a clear translucent powder. So just like concealer, except in shades of green. To contour, I'm gonna use the same green shadow and lay it over the cream here. I'm gonna go in with Good as Hell Mineral Baked Highlighter. This is IlMakiage. I loved their baked products. Always recommending their baked products. And with the same brush that I used the green, I'm just gonna coat this brush and use it to highlight. I like highlighting before blush because I feel like it blends better. Oh yeah. She's a bad bitch witch. A bad witch? I'm gonna take this little angled brush and give my nose a little highlight. So I'm gonna go in with the blush Toxic because it's showing up a lot better on all of this green. It looks so good. Ooh, we're almost done. I wanna do black lips, so I'm just gonna use black gel liner. And in the center, I wanna use red. So I'm gonna use Infinity Longwear Matte Lip Cream, and this is the color Matte Rager. I feel like having it a little exaggerated is kind of cute, or like smeared maybe. Using water activated body paint, I'm gonna fill this in. I almost forgot lashes. Hello. We need dramatic ones to get our point across. So we're gonna get out this, I don't know if you'll be able to see them, but they will make a difference in pictures. So let me pop these on real quick. Perfect. Okay, so you just take some water, paintbrush, and I find that it goes over the tattoo really well. Well, not like that. Obviously be more gentle. And this layers, you could go over it a couple times, but I wanted to be sheer to go over the tattoos and then go over it again just on the skin. Oh, that's perfect. My witch hat. So let me know what you guys think. I absolutely love it. It came out better than I thought it would. I'm super happy with it, and I hope it was an easy tutorial for you to follow. You just need a lot of green cream products and black eyeshadow, okay? Definitely pick up this Rico Nasty palette because it is so fire. So fire, I love it. Okay guys, thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you next time. Bye.